Well, I just sit it in there.
Oh, you dirty.
Yeah, well, I play.
Well,
In the rain.
hey guys, what's going on? Steven here and welcome back to another game day video. Are you excited for this one? Mm-hmm. Why are you excited?
Because we get to play in the rain.
It's raining pretty good. It's been raining pretty good all day. I honestly thought they were going to cancel the games, but they didn't. No extra little video stuff. We had church this morning, and right after church, ran home, got dressed, got food. My wife took Cooper to his game in State College, and well, we're here in Huntington for her game. She's gonna get wet. I'm probably gonna get soaked too. It's gonna rain the entire time. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. Good job, B.
Good job, Brooklyn.
Good job, Oakley.
Yeah, that was a good game, Brooklyn. Good job, bud. Yeah, good job. Good hustle. A little dirty.
Hey, you did great. You did so good.
All right, guys, we are in State College. We are getting ready to go to Coop's game. It's a little cold here, about 48 degrees and raining. So it'll be something a little different. We haven't played in the rain. We've played in the snow. And we've played hail and sleet, and we played in the sun, but not the rain. So this will be a first. It should be a little fun, new experience. And what's our game prediction? We have played this team before. We won 5-2,
6-2.
so this time we had the same prediction, right? We said it at the same time. We're gonna go 6-2 us. Even though it's raining, it'll be a little difficult. They have been playing together a little bit longer. They're finding their rhythm and doing really well. So we're gonna go. So we survived the game.
Yeah.
It poured basically the whole time and was freezing.
I can't snap.
Cooper can't move his hands. That's his complaint right now. He's trying to show me how he can't snap. Show me how you snap. You can't do it? So what were your thoughts on playing in the rain?
Horrible.
Horrible.
Yeah.
Not a fan. His hair's a little crazy because he did have a hat on, but it's now soaked, so we took it off. So now our job is to thaw out. Tell him how it went.
4-4. I scored 1 and made 2 assists.
Yeah. So we were a bit off with the score, but it really was pouring down pretty good. So they played really well for being in the rain. And the other team, they had some teammates that I don't think they had playing last time either. Some pretty good kids. So, but it was a good fight. We ended 4-4, and now we're gonna try to dry off, thaw out, and go home. Right?
Yep.
See you later.
All right, guys, game day is over and we're back home. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little happy that it's over. It was cold and wet and rainy. And well, luckily for us, the rain kind of stopped as the game started, but Cooper, the rain lasted, what, the entire game? Yeah, Mom said it poured. She was soaking wet. He was soaking wet. The chair, everything's wet that went to Cooper's game, but we were kind of dry. But the field was muddy. Yeah, but she played again absolutely great. Even though her team lost, what was it, 4-1?
Yeah.
She was outstanding. She was great on defense, super solid in the midfield, tracking back, helping on defense, dribbling the ball out to safety, even in the midfield, getting the ball and then dribbling forward towards goal and making passes. And then their only goal came from Brooklyn, who got the ball in the midfield, drove towards goal and had a shot, and keeper, well, helped her out a bit, went through her legs, and then she stumbled into the goal with the ball, but it counts, right? All right, what do you want to tell the people before we go?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Not subscribe.
All right, who's gonna say bye?
Bye. Peace.